Hello and welcome back to Swording for Beginners. This time we don't have the waster, we have an actual sword. This is made of what we call metal. We're on location, there's a castle there, it's the large stone thing, so hopefully we've got some good scenery this time. The sword has the usual parts to it. It has the Holdy bit, it has the Hitty bit, and what we like to call this part here, between the Holdy and the Hitty, is the blade. Now this is going to get a little complex, but it's going to be important how you hold this. If you have it this way and swing, it's a bit slappy, and swords are not for slapping, swords are for cutting, so we need to have the blade in line with the knuckles. We call this having the blade on line. The other thing we're going to need to discuss is your stance. Every swordist needs a stance. You should think of it in advance. A couple of suggestions are knightly, barbarian, warrior. This one is my favourite. I like to think it has the right combination of intimidation and good strong posture. And today I'm going to discuss my system for swording. Right, so I have my victim volunteer here. Ordinarily you might consider using someone else's head, but I've got a head of lettuce because I couldn't find a volunteer. In any case, how do we approach this? First, we take the blade, line up with our knuckles like I said. The blade is on line. Next, look around you. Locate the target. Then, this is important, orient towards it so you face your target. I'm too far away to hit it here, so next step, close the distance. Then kill. After that, stance. Stance is important. So, blade on line, locate target, orient, close, kill, and stance. This has been Swording for Beginners. Like and subscribe.